Well, all right, welcome back to the session. Just let me turn on my camera. All right. So we have news in some minutes, I guess, or now, just now. I don't know. So be ready, guys. Okay, we're gonna see some crazy amount of volume. I see that price have already started moving to the downside. So there is a possibility that you know we can see some numbers today. And let's see. We got news, right? I think at 6:45 we had a EDP, right? Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got numbers. 49K was the previous one. I think bad with numbers came in bad for USD basically. Interesting. That's why gold might move up from here. But anyway, so I did try to give us an entry before on a Discord group. So if you have not taken it, it's fine totally because I just scalp it and close the whole thing. It was a scalp thing. Let me just go to a smaller time frame a little bit here. I can explain why we have taken the entry. So we did try to take a scalp from here, okay, and this was around 50 pip of move, and then price reversed and moved down. So yeah, that was shared in the Discord group, but eventually that is not counting as a trade. Okay, let's see. Uh, But yeah, we also have PMI today at around at 8:30. So you know what? We're gonna be live at PMI as well. We might, go for a walk a little bit in between, but we're gonna be live till then. Today we're gonna be doing live for quite some time. I hope you guys can hear me properly. Let me just. Yeah, the thing is that due to the numbers and all, let me just go to one of our. Yeah, we are going below the structure, which is another problematic thing for me. So that means price might move down strongly, but at the same time, which depend on the this 1 hour candle how it does close. Accordingly, we're gonna enter the trade and manage it. But I'm expecting that price might strongly move up after the PMI also. Let's wait for now. I don't see prices, where price is heading at the moment, but we are rejecting these levels. So let's see. We need to see a 30-minute and 50-minute closure as well. But I feel like price is not holding this level here. I feel like it's going to move down. But yeah, we still have this one. So even if we tap here and then still have a good move to the top side, that we still. But yeah, this sell was a amazing one. After that, price didn't hold and move up. We just broke below the structure and moved down. So now this is the area where we should see some volume. But let's see how things goes then. Well, let me set up this thing. Yeah. Anyway, so tell me, guys, what are you looking for today? 8:30 we have news and things like that. So I don't know. Tell me in the chat what are you looking for, everyone. We are live right now because we'll do a longer live stream today. I'm planning to have a live stream till 8:30 p.m. But in between, I might take off for some time. All right. Well, let's see. Like if price is holding this well, then we can still see a good reaction to the upside. But let's wait because I don't want to take any irrational trade right as well because we just entered in the NY session. Okay. So there's a huge possibility we can either continue moving down or either we can move up a little bit around these levels again. So that's it. I have not updated the live stream started in the was the message sent in the Discord group or not? I don't know. I have not seen that. I'll update them. In the meantime, I'll be seeing what you guys are talking, what you guys are looking to do today. Okay, all right. We are good to go, I guess. I'm just gonna see some things because here's the thing, right? Even if I'm looking for any trades at the moment, the only thing is here I am not seeing any kind of a strong structure to take the trade. You see, this 4 hour will be closing in around 2 hour 37 minutes. So it's a new 4 hour candle which directly moved down. We have a three strong bearish momentum for the 4 hour, you see, and whenever we have that, one, two, three, and then boom, drop, you see. Let's see, like we have a huge bearish momentum though. Is there any kind of chances that after the three bearish candle we can see a strong move to the upside? There's a possibility, you see, that we got a similar kind of a move here as well. So there's a possibility we can see a. I think if not this, then we can at least see this 1 hour flipping bullish and at least tapping into this level. What do you guys think? I'm according to me, like this is the whole structure I'm targeting if price to move down. But I think we had a great trade in London and yesterday as well. So we're gonna be careful at the moment, the way price is moving. I'm gonna be waiting for people to join though, because this live stream is going to be a big one. Based on the analysis I have on a scalping session base, I think this was a good buy here. Mhm. If we have a price strongly, sorry, If we have a price strongly moving to the upside, then we can, take further trades. But as of now, I see that price is only in a downtrend. So we're gonna wait for price to, show us some kind of a great structure to the upside or the downside. At the moment, I don't see much of a, you know, point to take the buys right now. Like for a safer side, no. On a scalping base, yes, you can. Let me see some changes I want to do. Let me do that at this meantime. What just happened? Why this is saying this? Let me reload. My Wi-Fi is gone. Oh no, maybe this platform had so many issues. I need to relog in again, I guess. Let's wait a little bit. जब तक, I don't see much of a trade. I'm gonna wait some time here. Just a minute, already, guys. I'm checking some things, and I'll be, continuing the live stream as well. I'm just checking some things. Wait a minute. There's something important that I need to do. That's why. I'll be back in a 5 minute. Just give me 5 minutes, all right? I'm just adding some things. Let me just write it down for you guys. Be back in a 5 minutes thing. What is so? Oh, I need to purchase this. No, I don't want to do that. I don't have a writing option yet. Anyway, let it be. Yeah, you see me. I just be back in 5 minutes. Fuck. Okay. Sorry. I'm back. Yeah, I just wanted to do one thing that is done. I will continue the stream now. Okay. Anyway, like, where is everyone? Like, we started some time ago, and अभी तक कोई आया नहीं है. रेगुलर बेसिस पे तो अभी तो थोड़े थोड़े लोग आ रहे थे. Let's just check the stream settings. Everything is perfect. बाकी अभी तो मेरे को कोई ट्रेड नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है, फॉर अस टू टेक एट द मोमेंट. The entry was this here. We could have entered, but I don't see the entry point right now. So we're gonna wait. ठीक है. 30 मिनट अभी क्लोज हुआ है. 1 hour I can see it's flipping bullish. But अगर मैं अभी इधर बाई लेता हूँ, ठीक है, for an example, if I take a buy entry here, you see that we have 175 of SL to target the whole move. But ये इधर ऊपर जाएगा इतना, there is no structure that I see right now on a bigger time frame. ठीक है. So what I see that price is just playing around at the moment. I don't see any strong structure. Also, 30 minute have just moved up, and we are also still bearish strongly. So I don't know like if we should take any entries at the moment. Okay. As long as price doesn't go above this, we are all bearish here. अभी bearish तो जा रहा है वापस तो क्या है. ठीक है, well let's see, क्योंकि प्राइस स्टिल ये बैरिश जा भी रहा है बट फिर वापस ऊपर भी आ रहा है, तो देयर इज nothing we can do here. We're gonna wait for this structure to be completed, uh, and let's see how it goes. For now, I don't see any reason to take a trade. Interesting way of moving here. But see, I think I can see that this is a clear bearish structure. We made a low, high, low, again here rejections. So there is a possibility we can create a low, but I don't want to enter any sells here. With the current news that came in, there is no reason to enter a sell. But I think PMI, that will be the news where price will be moving more strongly. So let's wait for that. हाँ बट अभी तो मेरे को स्ट्रक्चर क्लियर स्टिल बेरिश लग रहा है. 15 minute भी bearish जा रहा है without breaking the previous high, respecting that. So as well as the 30 minute is when just flip bearish. 22-minute left, and you know what? I'm gonna just move this to here and see if price is still respecting this level here. If price reject from this is the last level of rejections where we can see this 30-minute candle flipping the bullish again. Sorry, and हाँ वो अगर बुलिश गया तो 1 आवर भी वापस बुलिश आएगा, सिंपल. Because I can see that this is the last holding structure where we are getting some rejections. But here's the thing, right? Now, if we do hold this level for the last time, if we do something like this, came back, retest, reject, and create a new high, okay, now what does this mean? We want the price will tap around this level. And if it's still, reject and tap here, this will complete the structure for us to confirm that we are shifting the trend to the uptrend from the bearish momentum. Where there we can enter for buys, putting SL with the recent lows, or maybe give enough room to enter below the structure, and that will be the trade idea we can play out. We can wait for price to play out. Let's see. देखते हैं, अभी टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास आज. What do you guys think? What are you looking for here today on the gold? Like, are you looking for buys or sells? Like, if I'm scalping, I would have like taken a sell and scalp it till this level. But yeah, I'm not looking for any short-term gains right now. So I'm gonna wait. We had a good trade here, here, and here. How about we just wait till we have a proper structure shift before we do enter any buys here? On a risky side, yes, you can enter early, but it will be a risky position. So that's why I'm not advising to enter any new position. हाँ मतलब प्राइस होल्ड तो कर रहा है. सी वी आर गेटिंग सम रिजेक्शंस. That means price is holding and we can still see a push here. if I do enter any kind of a trade here, that is still the same thing that, my SL will be bigger, which I don't want at the moment. How can I join your Discord community? Again, go to my website, xktradingfloor.com. You can click here, join xktradingfloor. You will be redirected to the Discord community, but you need to create an account. If you don't have an account and you click here, it will say login required. So you need to create an account. Yep, price is moving here. We are seeing a strong momentum. I don't want to, enter at the moment, but let's see. अगर जब तक मेरे को confirmation नहीं मिल रहा अभी, the only reason I'm now hesitating to enter is because we had a good win. Okay, continuously we had a good win. Now, if I want to enter, I'm gonna wait for a good amount of confirmation before, So we have this level here, which is good structure. So let's wait. Price is really strong, moving here. Even if I want to take a trade, I cannot in this zone. No, yeah, there is a multiple reason I'm not entering here. We got around 1 minute and 8 seconds before the 5 minute close. 1 minute and exactly 1 minute now. Same for the 15-minute closure. Now this 1 minute can be the candle that will decide what price will do, because either it will just let this price to directly come and create a doji candle that will help price to move down. Now, if it does stay strong bullish, there's a possibility we can see a strong momentum now. The only requirement at the moment from our end is that if this candle is closing strong bullish, it should be above the previous high of this candle, and that will be it. If it stay above this previous high, that means it's not a weak candle, it is respecting the structures. And if it stay below and close bullish, then it's still not a good scenario, you see. So that is the candle which I didn't want it. It's now kind of a weak candle. So 30-minute, 15-minute, each candle can still flip bearish. So be careful. It could also be a part of a candle where it could flip bearish, reject. It will create the structure that we wanted. But let's see. It's the way it's moving. I don't like that. Simple. 8:30 we have PMI, so we're gonna stay live till then today. But I'll be going for something at 8 p.m. So just updating you. 15 minutes, we're gonna take a break at the 8 p.m. also. What do you guys think like about right now current trading scenario? What do you think will happen here? Will price move up? What's your take on this? Like on a new 15-minute candle is holding here while creating a nice structure. But the thing is, again, we have 4 hour which is going bullish. Now, usually what happens is 4 hour intent to after a three bearish candle, 4 hour intent to fall, free fall. And we have a news at 8:30. So there is a possibility with that new candle, new 4 hour candle, we can see that. Or there is only two scenarios that I see here. First, that is price move up. And, since London, I've been saying this, that we should tap this level again, right? So that is my first way of scenario that I see happening here. Okay, that is the one. And second, what I see is that with the news, the numbers came out really good for USD. That means gold will fall down, and we're gonna tap into these levels. Do you guys want you to sorry what as I was saying, do you guys want to join the live stream with me? You want to come with me on the cam side? Comment yes or no. Let's create a poll. Let's create a poll. Let's see how many people wants to join me. When I say will you join in live stream, I mean it. Like, so what does this mean? That means you will be here with me and you will be trading on my you know, side by side basically. You will be here with us, your camera on, and everyone will be watching. जो भी देखता है, जो भी आता है देखता है, everyone can see कि भाई we can talk about your trading journey and things like that. As long as 15 minutes is bullish, there's a chance that price can stay bullish. But I feel like that price might just it's still respecting this level, but I have a feeling that price is just at the moment rejecting this level properly. Once we see it rejecting it strongly, like a strong bullish candle, something like this, then possibly we can just see a continuation like boom. Currently, though, we are still seeing some rejections. Let's go. Let's wait. It's it's playing out, but I'm still waiting because of this. Candles. The way it's forming, that is something I don't see as a confident candle kind of a thing. If we have a strong momentum coming in, we will see a strong bullish momentum. Accordingly, we're gonna target our trade. In the meantime, जो भी पूछना है पूछो भाई. Okay, you have a free chat, so ask your questions. Okay, 5 minute is breaking previous candle high, so as well as 15 minute is trying to. So I think if we do break above this high, there is a possibility either we're gonna tap into above level or we're gonna just fly through the roof. Let me know what do you think. क्या लगता है ये यहाँ से जाएगा छप्पड़ फाड़ के ऊपर? फीलिंग तो वही दे रहा है मेरे को. हम यहाँ से वेट कर रहे थे, राइट? If we would have entered here, but नहीं. हमें जब तक हमारा कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगा ना मेरे को, मैं रिस्क नहीं लेने वाला भाई अभी, क्योंकि आज न्यूज है. न्यूज में सब कुछ पलट सकता है. एवरीथिंग कैन गो अगेंस्ट यू. पूरा एनालिसिस तुम्हारा अपसाइड डाउन हो जाएगा इफ यू आर रॉन्ग. खाली खाली प्रॉफिट क्यों खराब करने, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. 5 minute will be closing in around 2 minutes. Yeah, it's flying. It did try to fly though, but it didn't fly yet. 1 minute कैंडल पे ट्राई तो किया उसने, मुझे वॉल्यूम नहीं दिया, वापस रिजेक्ट कर दिया. अगर अभी अभी मैं एंटर कर भी दो ना इधर बाय, तो तुम सोचो, जस्ट इमेजिन कि हमारा ट्रेड सही होगा तो वी विल गेट अराउंड हाउ मच, पॉसिबली अराउंड 130 पिप्स. बट अगर हमारा गलत होगा ट्रेड, 240 पिप्स नेगेटिव में जाएंगे हम. अगर मैं एसएल कम रख के भी चलता हूँ ना, दैट इज स्टिल अराउंड 140 पिप्स. ये तो नहीं कर सकता ना. We need to enter at the start of the structure, not the end of the leg. 20 सेकंड बचे 5 मिनट कैंडल को क्लोज होने को. अगर ये एंड में डोजी क्लोजर देता है तो समझ लो देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम थिंग. There we go. We got a closure of the 5 minute candle. डोजी तो नहीं दिया, इट इज बुलिश, बट एज आई सेड ये सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ कैंडल जैसा. मैंने बोला ना, मेरे को जो ये है ना, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है या तो ये एक ही कैंडल में खींचेगा ऊपर, या तो एक ही कैंडल में 5 मिनट में नीचे आएगा यहाँ तक. सो द थिंग इज, तुम स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग देखो ना. वी हैव रीटेस्ट दिस ट्वाइस हियर, ओके, देन रिजेक्टेड एंड फॉल. अब यहाँ पे वापस हम लोग ने टैप किया है, तो हम लोग एटलीस्ट थोड़ा तो एटलीस्ट यहाँ तक का तो मोमेंटम यू कैन expect before price break above. So I'm gonna wait here, not gonna take any irrational trade again. क्योंकि ऑल्सो 5 मिनट में 1 आवर कैंडल का क्लोजर भी है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हाउ दिस कैंडल क्लोज. अगर ये कैंडल बुलिश क्लोज होता है तो नेक्स्ट कैंडल विल हैव इनफ वॉल्यूम टू पुश अप, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट विल हैव इनफ रूम टू पुश डाउन. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये कैंडल डोजी है. डोजी का मीनिंग मेरे मेरे डिक्शनरी में तो यही होता है कि इट हैव रूम टू मूव अप एंड डाउन बोथ। फॉर एन एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देखो, ये भी डोजी थी, पहले नीचे गया, लो ब्रेक किया, फिर ऊपर गया एंड बुलिश क्लोज हुआ। ठीक है, ये भी डोजी थी, इट डायरेक्टली मूव डाउन, ऊपर गया ही नहीं फिर। ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी डोजी थी, ट्रेंड चेंज, पूरा नीचे गया, सेम लाइक ये भी डोजी देख लो उसके बाद वाला, हाई एंड लोज, तो वी डोंट वांट दैट यार। हम्म, ये तो एंड एंड में उठ रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है एंड एंड में। Guys, check out the broker I'm using. Right? It's pretty amazing. If you want to, right now they are running a discount code with me, so you can deposit some amount of money and you can get 100% bonus to that. The minimum deposit is with our code. The minimum deposit is around $150. हाँ, बस तुम्हें उसके साथ साथ फ्री में डेली लाइव स्ट्रीम मिल रही है, सो दैट इज द एडवांटेज। 8 बजे NYSC, 8 बजे हमें पता चल जाएगा गोल्ड क्या करने वाला है। हाँ, मेरे को ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है, ये जो एनवाईएससी में मूव दिया ना मैं 8 बजे, सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ मूव देखने मिल सकता है। बट 8:30 को हमारे पास न्यूज भी है, तो वी कैन सी दैट विथ न्यूज, सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ वॉल्यूम, तो मतलब समझ लो पूरा पूरा खींच लेगा टू द अपसाइड। डिपेंड ऑन द 4 आवर एंड 1 आवर, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है 4 आवर जिस तरह से अभी क्लोजर दे रहा है, ठीक है, लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट 4 आवर, सॉरी 4 आवर जिस तरह से फॉर्म हो रहा है अभी, आई मीन ये देखो, तो ये काइंड ऑफ ऐसा है ना कि अगर ये खुद की हाई ब्रेक करेगा, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि हम थोड़ा ऊपर जाए 468-69 तक, बट एट द सेम टाइम प्राइस कैन गो बैक डाउन, टैप लेवल्स, दिस लेवल्स बिफोर। बट करंट स्ट्रक्चर तो मेरे को अभी भी बुलिश नहीं है, कम खाना भी। यू सी अभी हम लोग को ये 50 मिनट की कैंडल क्लोज मिलेगी, दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश। ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट आई वांटेड इट्स हैपनिंग, स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश 1 आवर 30 मिनट पे भी, 1 आवर पे स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश इन अ मिनट। ठीक है, 5 मिनट पे भी इनफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश क्लोजर हो रहा है हाई के ऊपर, विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। नाउ वी आर एट अ रेजिस्टेंस, नाउ व्हाट डू यू सी हियर, either price will just immediately try to push up, okay, directly tap into this levels, and then we can see how price is here। but हाँ, अब अगर मैं बाय के लिए देखूंगा ना, so I want something like this to be happening around this level, and then so I'm gonna be waiting still. I don't want to enter any blind trade, so still gonna wait here. Okay, we got the closure. Let's see. We are getting some bullish momentum though. मैंने एक्चुअली ग्रुप में भी, डिस्कॉर्ड ग्रुप में भी बाय का जो सेटअप दिया था, आई एम स्टिल होल्डिंग सम ऑफ दैट, बट दैट इज एज आई सेड, वो रिस्की स्कैल्प था, इसलिए मैंने नहीं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे भी बताया। व्हाई विल आई टेक अ ट्रेड दैट इज रिस्की फॉर यू गाइस? मेरा रिस्क टॉलरेंस अच्छा है, सबका नहीं हो सकता, तो इसलिए नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू अब सी द थिंग इज, हम लोग ने पहले तो अबव क्लोजर नहीं दिया है येट। ठीक है, अब अगर प्राइस नीचे आके रिजेक्ट करता है अराउंड दिस लेवल, देन वी कैन सी समथिंग लाइक ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर आल्सो, बट until or unless we don't see that, we're gonna wait। प्राइस है ना, जो खेल रहा है ना अभी, जिस वे में ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है ना ये, लोगों की फीलिंग के साथ खेलेगा ये। देखेंगे, लेट्स वेट। मैं तो इसलिए एंटर नहीं कर रहा हूँ भाई, कि मेरे को पता है ये अभी जब तक न्यूज नहीं आने वाला तब तक ये खेलने वाला है। और मैं मिस आउट भी करूंगा तो मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है भाई मूव का तो। आवाज आ रहा है क्या तुम लोग को टक टक का? ये तो पोल खुल गई मेरी। पार्शल क्लोज करते हुए पकड़ा गया मैं। आई कैन शो यू समथिंग। छोटे स्कैल्प लिए थे मैंने, तो जस्ट वो क्लोज कर रहा हूँ मैं। That's it। पर मेरी एंट्री बहुत नीचे से थी, एंड जब लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया तब आई वांटेड टू बहुत ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल एंट्री थी। आई जस्ट एंटर्ड हियर अराउंड दिस लेवल्स, तो आई क्लोज्ड हियर एवरीथिंग। नॉट एवरीथिंग, हाँ सम परसेंटेज इज रनिंग, बट ठीक है। ये लैग पूरा है ना, ऐसा है ना कि यहाँ से प्राइस नीचे भी जा सकता था, इसलिए मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम पे नहीं बताया। दैट्स इट। रिस्क की पोजीशन नहीं बताने का, बिना रिस्क वाला पोजीशन बताओ। क्योंकि हम लोग ने जो स्कैल्प इधर ट्राई किया था, ठीक है, इट डिड वर्क आउट अराउंड 50 pips then drop। तो अभी सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ वी कैन सी, बट इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ स्ट्रांग मोमेंटम टू द अपसाइड फर्स्ट। प्राइस इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ द रूम। Daily candle is rejecting, so as well as the 1 hour, 4 hour। अभी तो आई एम वेटिंग। See, the price did try to move up, but it didn't break above. So that is another thing। अभी हम लोग के पास अभी भी कंफर्मेशन नहीं है। एज आई सेड, मेरे को चाहिए प्राइस रीटेस्ट करेगा तो फिर तब देखेंगे। लेट्स सी, प्राइस इज रिजेक्टिंग, ठीक है, बट एज आई सेड जब तक हमें पुल बैक नहीं मिलेगा तब तक वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक एनी ट्रेड्स। बट हाँ, दैट इज अनदर स्टोरी कि हमें अभी तक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वो मिल चुका है। अगर मैं अभी बाहर लेता भी ना, मैंने बोला ना मेरे को बहुत ही बड़ा एसएल रखना पड़ेगा यार। दैट इज द ओनली रीजन आई एम नॉट एंटरिंग। या तो हम छोटे स्केल से एंटर कर सकते हैं। 140 पिप्स, ना 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 ना, इतना बड़ा रिस्क नहीं ले सकता। इसमें तो है ना, मतलब हम लोग यूजुअली है ना 88 पिप्स, 73 पिप वाला एसएल सही है, वन कैंडल वाला। बट हमें जो अभी जो प्राइस मोमेंटम है, अगर मैं यहाँ पे बाय लेता हूँ तो आई नीड टू पुट इट बिलो दिस लेवल, सी, विच वी कैन नॉट डू। और अभी तो मेरे को लग रहा है ये जस्ट माइट बी जस्ट पुशिंग डाउन अगेन। ये 4 is still open, so as well on our। ये एरिया बहुत स्ट्रांग है, दैट आई कैन टेल यू। ये एरिया बहुत स्ट्रांग है ना, प्राइस इसके नीचे तो गया ही नहीं, क्लोजर ही नहीं दिया इसने। So as long as we are above this level, we should only look for buys, I guess। हाँ, that is a another thing। So you know why I'm looking for buyers on this trade basis? Simple as that. That we did create a high, low, high, high, low, high, high, then change of the whole structure. Okay. Since then, we've been moving to the downside. Now, here we have made a new low. Now, I'm expecting that this trade will, be something like this kind of a structure. Okay. With the current today news, we can see something like this. But that is also depend on the fundamentals. So we don't trade exactly at the time of the news. We trade after that. So before the half hour of the news, we're gonna be going off the live stream and we'll be back. या तो हम चालू ही रखेंगे लाइव स्ट्रीम या तो जस्ट लेट्स सी क्या होता है विल सी anyone is watching or no who's with me on the live stream I don't feel like anyone is watching at the moment though I don't know yeah only I think two people are watching only guys you can say hi to the chat तुम लोग कुछ कर सकते हो but ठीक है see now price have broken the structure it's trying to make a pullback and all now we need to wait a little bit for some time to see what price will do waiting to PMI. If you want to have a scalping session, then you can do something like this. You know, enter into a trade, take out around 50 pips, 30 pips, and off the something like that. But right now I don't see any scalps. Otherwise would have. done a 1 minute scalp as well. The only scalp I see is something like this. Price move down immediately. Take a 50, 70 pips, and that's it. As long as we are holding this whole structure, we are good. I feel like, but let's mark this level because you wick to wick enough. If price move below this wicks, this is the end. Price went back up again. You know what does this mean? Price is struggling to move. All right. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Price is moving, bro. 50 minute is closing bearish. 30 minute still have room. Hmm, Interesting way. Yeah, price is still bearish. I guess price is not moving to the upside. Because this price is struggling right now. 15 minute dead close bearish. So the kind of a pullback we want, this 15 minute can give us that. So we can see something like this. Price immediately tap into this level and then push up. But for that we need price to first move down. But doesn't look like it will move down. It already broke the low immediately. Oh, okay. Oh, we missed the move. What was the move? Oh boy. I think guys we missed the move here. What do you think? Yeah, we missed the move. We missed the move, guys. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take a small scalp here based on what I see. I might think like price might, push up, but wait a minute. Is it pushing down again? Yeah. It's a start of the 15 minute candle, but it did move up immediately. Yeah. I wanna see, you know what? I'm gonna enter my 50% here. Okay. This is going to be a long trade. So trade accordingly. We're gonna enter more positions from the you know below session. Like I'm gonna put my SL a little bit long around 130 pips because this time it's going to be a long trade if tries to move up. Not this much, at least this much I can target though. To be honest, like the structure that I'm looking to trade, actually, you know what? This is not that. This is the target. Yeah, and overall, I'm hoping that price will. Sorry, not this. Yeah, this price should hold this structure. As long as price is holding this structure, we should be good. How much this is? 180? 180? 180 pip of SL? No, 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 no. That is not. We cannot do that. Let's put it at least 100 pips, giving enough room for price to move around and do whatever it wants. Yeah, we're gonna move us exactly below the wicks. Yes. Yeah. So this is, I'm gonna change this settings. What if it? Oh, for you guys, I'm telling you right now, this only 20%. I will not, add more position to this until or unless I see some kind of a structure happening. This is a low risk setup, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna tell you. Enter with only 0.25 or lower lot size. Okay. And put your SL below this. So yeah. All right, let's see how this trade do go. Low probability setup. So be careful. This trade I have taken based on the current news that will come out at the same time. Not just news that will come out, but also the news that's already came out, which was a ADP. The numbers came out less, so meaning that gold should be pushing up and USD most likely to push down. So according to that, I'm expecting that price will move up, and I'm with a PMI that is in half an hour, we can see a strongly push to the upside. Okay, but of course, remember this around 8 p.m. I'm gonna take a pause and be back at 8:30. Oh, we have news at 8:30, so around that I'll be back. Okay, don't risk a lot of thing on this trade. Okay, risk less. Yeah, prices see immediately just went into drawdown. Yeah, but it's fine. We are still okay with this. Even if it's moving to the downside, we have risk only less compared to what we usually risk. Like for me, it's less because I have not risked much here. Yeah, the way it's moving, I don't feel like price is uh, happy to move up here. It's just want to move down. That's it. This candle is strong. The recent candle that just opened up, 5 minute candle, is strongly moving to the downside. But the question is like, is it going to stay hold it? Usually I should have put it below this low, but it will be a too big of a hassle. But I feel like it's just gonna move and take out the hassle. But let's see. Okay. We should have at least put below the low, maybe. How much is it? You know what? Move the SL exactly below the wick here, around 140 pips here. That should be the SL. Don't, you know, based on a 5 minute time frame, that should be the wick I'm looking at, right? Yes, yes, yes. Put it below this wick, give around 10 pip of a room, and let's see how it turns out to be. Okay. I'm gonna set up the SL for other trades. SL at around 437, 4437. Yeah, I think we are good. Now, if price do take out our SL, I'm totally fine with it because I have managed my risk here and given enough room for price to move. At the same time, the targets we are achieving with this trade will be massive if we get a good numbers. But yeah, the way it's moving, I don't have any feeling right now. I just feel like it might just, take everything out. Let's see. 4 hour went bearish again or not? How much we have? Yeah, it did went bearish again. That is not a good sign at all. 1 hour moved up, break the high, and immediately pushed down. If we now respect these levels and see the reason I have moved our SL little bit is because we had 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We had multiple rejections. So if price reject now, then we're gonna see a massive move. You see? Oh, okay. Price is already, giving some massive rejections. Five minute is going to close in around 17 seconds though. Yeah, it's closing 3 to 1. There we go. New 5 minute candle just open up. Now, all we want, if this 5 minute is going to, hold the level, it's gonna come in around this level, reject this level, and move up. Okay. Yep. Let's see. It's coming down, but let's see if we get any rejections though. I think this will be the first SL if we hit one. But yeah, we didn't hit SL for quite some time. We had a good trades and the whole week. So I'm fine. If we hit SL, I'm managing my risk. But my risk is less compared to those trades that we have taken before. All right. So I'll be back after 15-20 minutes. So see you after 15 or 20 minutes. Till then, watch out this trade. I'll update you in Discord and we'll be back around at the PMI news. Okay. Because then we're going to have a whole big lesson. We're going to, trade at that time. So this is a really low probability setup. So risk accordingly. Okay. So see you after some time. Thank you so much for watching the live stream. For now, I'm pausing this one and we're going to start a new live stream after the PMI. Okay. So definitely stay updated through Discord. Thank you. But yeah, if we hit SL, then there is no need to panic. We're going to be back with a new thing, right? And also keep in mind, I have already informed you guys to manage your risk here. So have a good day.